In this video, I'm going to show you how to get or find tactical laser sight in Once Human. So this is the only tactical laser sight location inside the game, and here's how you can get it. Now, if you open up the map, you can see I'm in the Red Sands area, level 48, kind of at the border over here, just next to the Securement Silo PSI, okay? Now, this is, as you can see at these coordinates over here, you can check the coordinates bottom right of my screen. Just come over here to this road, if you can, teleport over here, and that's it. Now, once you're over here, you want to walk up this road over here, as you can see, and then you can already see that thing appearing on the screen, which is the loot crate. Now, in there, there's a tactical laser sight. The problem is, it's surrounded by thorns, and you can get rid of these by throwing a Molotov at them. So I have a Molotov in my inventory, luckily, right now. Simply put it down here so we can use it, and then throw it at those horns. So simply throw it at your horns. There we go. And then in a second, these will burn. As you can see, they will burn down. And once that's done, you can walk up to the loot crate and loot it. So as you can see, I'm going to walk to it now. There we go. Have to press F. And yet again, there we go. And as you can see, there's a tactical laser sight. Now press F to claim it. And that's it. You've successfully gotten your tactical laser sight inside Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.